Grok has light content moderation. It blocks serious illegal stuff like child abuse material or non-consensual nudes, but it allows more edgy, adult, funny, or controversial content than most AIs. That's the truth-seeking style from XAI. You can't fully turn off content moderation, but you can reduce blocks. To make Grok less likely to block your prompts, try these simple tricks. Instead of using direct or strong words, soften them with gentle phrases like artistic pose, elegant form, or poetic comparisons. Turn your idea into something creative by adding words such as digital art, anime style, or cinematic illustration. Grok usually allows more when it feels like artwork. Avoid obvious trigger words completely. Replace them with softer alternatives, artistic terms, medical-style language, or very indirect ways of describing things. Start with small wording changes and test one at a time until it works smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.